Any example you have solved by yourself? Question number 1. What is the meaning of leap year? 360. There is one extra day that is called as a leap year. So recently, which is the leap year? 2020. Apple also promoted now the leap year phone. Okay. So here write a program to check whether any year entered by user. So the person who use a programming software, we are user. Okay. So we need to enter a data. So how we enter a data, guys? Can we write like this way? X is equal to input. If I write like this way, example, it's 2020. Possible? So can we call this as user input? Okay. Can we have year in float? Can we convert this into integer? This we have already studied, guys. I specify 2020. See, data is coming. Okay. Now we need to write a program to check whether the data which we enter is leap year, yes or no. So we have conditions, either yes or no. Can we say we have if else? Okay. We write if bracket. Okay. Then what should be the code? It's your data which is coming. Okay. Divide by, or we can say modulus. Modulus by 4. What is the meaning of double equal? Equal, single equal, double equal to 0. If this is condition met. So how to stop this? I want to print. It's a leap year. If condition fail, else print not a leap year. Still clear? Let's say, let me write a data 2021. What is the answer? Not 2020. Easy. Can I say here we have done only if else? If else is difficult. So one topic is done. Which you want revision. There are many. If else, if, then again elif, and so on. Here we just need to find whether not a leap year. There are two possibilities, either yes or no. That's the reason I've taken if and else. If we have 3 conditions, yes, medium, and no, then 2 if and 1 else. Clear? Okay. This one will be a new for you. Second one. What is the meaning of string? So can I say x is equal to alpha? Because this is also string. Now, yes. Clear? Take a string contains punctuation. Punctuation mark as an input. What is the meaning of punctuation, guys? Exclamatory mark, space, hashtag, that is called as a punctuation. As an input from user. So again, we have to use input function, where user will give some data. Write a program to remove all punctuation from a string. So first, let me add some punctuation. Comma. I'm writing my surname. Question mark. Explanatory. Can we call this is also data, guys? punctuation and comma, question marks are your punctuation marks. We have to remove it from the string. Clear? So next, there is a package, guys, which is a very unique package which we use in string. Okay, like we have pandas, numpy. Same way, there is a package which works for string is repackage. Remember, we have done a function called remove, replace. Same way, here there is a function called inside re function is sub. Sub function is for replace only. Clear? When we import data, guys, remember we used to write R. What is meaning of R? Read. So here we say we need to read something. Okay. Example. Okay. To explain this, let me open import read. Can open from here. Okay. Only this function is which is out of for you. Okay. It's very simple. Read is a regular expression. It is a sequence of character that form a search pattern. We need to search it first. So here there is a function called read.search. So there are many functions available. What is the function we are using? So replace one or many matches. Here, guys, we have. I'll give you a chart directly. Once again, there has to be one chart. I just want to show you a chart. What is the use of the chart? Just a minute. This one. Now within re, these are some functionalities. Okay. Now if I say this mark, what is the meaning of this? Starting with. Clear? What is the meaning of /w? Return a match where string contain any words character from A to Z, digit from 0 to 9, and underscore character. What is the meaning of S? It means what? Where we have a space. So we are just finding, do we have any space? Do we have any special characters? Okay. We will search that in our codes. Okay. I will be writing as a box. This is what? Starting with /w. Search for any word. Any word I have to search. Except any alphabets. If you have any other data, it will be removed. I'm searching and matching only for words. Means alphabets. /s. Do we have any space? Remove that. Okay. Replaced by nothing. And which data we are working on? X data. See, it's removed. Concept clear. /w means it will search only alphabets. /s means it will search for space. From the start my journey from here. So if any of the things is present, replace with blank. If I write, let's say hashtag, what happened? See the comma, replace wherever there is question mark, I replace with 4 hashtag. Explanatory, replace with another. So instead of hashtag, I say should not have anything. Clear? Any question, please ask. Can we keep over here as at the rate also? Can we give space also? Clear? Easy or difficult? Okay, this repackage is only utilized when we are working on text data. That is a specialization which you will be learning in the depth in deep learning. Deep learning works on text data. Machine learning works on numerical data, structured data. That's the reason I have not gone to the depth of this. Clear? Yes. जो वर्ड नहीं है उन पे हो जाए. These are not words. These are not alphabets. So whichever thing is not alphabets, that will replace by underscore. So the way of reading is पहले search होगा, search match होगा तो फिर क्या होगा? Replace. Replacing your data. So re works on 3 steps. First search it, replace it, on which data? Like Seaborn work on X, Y data, Yog and Parrot on 5 points. Entire repackage works on 3 points. Search for it. If present, replace it on which data? Clear or should I repeat? Guys, anybody want me to repeat? Please say I'll repeat for you. What is the use of repackage? First step is search. Search present है क्या करोगे? Repackage have 3 steps. First step is to search, or I can say search pattern. If present, what I have to do? Replace it. On which one? Data. So what I'm searching over here? Every alphabets and every space. If present, what I have to do? Replace with underscore. Or you can say at the rate, anything you want, right? And X is my data. Clear? See. Search, replace, data. Only 3 steps. Now this one. Write 2 separate number as input from the user. Write a program to swap. What is the meaning of swap, guys? Interchange. Means the person who sit in this row will shuffle in that row. People who are sitting in that row will shuffle in this row. Can we call swap? Here we have to give input from the user. So can I use input? I'm just writing for my side. Enter first number as X. Okay, I'm assigning in. I said 10. So the first number of X is 10. Enter. Second number as Y. I said 10 and I said 20. Clear? So what is the value of X, guys? Value of Y? 20. Now my question for you, can we swipe this? I say X value should be taken from Y, simple way. Okay. If you remember, after comma new variable start, and Y value should be taken as X. ये clear हो गया? So Y X value will be taken from Y. Y value will be taken from X. I want to print for both. I want to see the output of both. I say print x and let colon for me x specific comma. Any number x is 10, y is 20. What is the value of y? 20. We swipe to x. What is the value of x? We swipe to y. Clear. We just assign it, guys, nothing else. Sheet number 1, cell number 4. Same method we have done x comma y comma z, apple, banana, cherry, by using comma. Any question on this, please ask. कहाँ पे प्रिंट में अगर आप ये नहीं लिखोगे ना तो क्या होगा ये देख लीजिए 10 ये सिर्फ 20 प्रिंट करेगा आपको so you should be not getting an idea what is there, what is this 20 means. Just for my understanding, I have written the value which is coming to be as 20. This value is of nothing but x value. Example, I say print x, what I'm getting 20. I say print first number. So what I'm printing first number also, and I'm printing x also. I'm printing both the things. The way I've written this way, same way I've written this one. Clear. So should I write sentence? Guys, these are not basic level. These are not coding. These are base. X को y में assign करना है, y को x में assign करना है. We have done import function prior also. We have done this comma concept also prior. Sheet number 1, you can open and cross check also. Any doubt in first 3 questions, please ask. कोई doubts हैं? Yes or no? This practice question will not be repeated. If you have a doubt, please ask. Okay, this one is simple. You tell me how to write. I will not write this query. Write a program to print product of the following variable. What is the meaning of product, guys? Multiply. Correct. Integer is 10. So let's write same only. I'll take from here only. What is the value of integer? What is the value of string? 15 is number. String, you know? Can we convert string to number? How? Perfect. You can use int. Let's cross check. Yes. Can we assign this in x? ये clear हो गया? This is your value of x. Now can we multiply x into integer? So it's a small x now. Should I use double star or single star? Why? It is double star move like exponential power. Single star will multiply. 10 into 15 is 150. What is your question? This is easy or difficult? Okay. Always, whenever you get a query, break into the parts. What is coming as an input and what is expectation? If you do not break in this part, input, and what should I use it, and what is output, indication, you will not able to solve the query, guys. Same happens for SQL also. First, what is the input? Means what function we are going to use it. Concept remains same, the process flow for every programming language. First point, what data comes. Second point, which function I have to choose. Then third point is the output. Question number 5, I'll be skipping for you. Okay, we'll come to this later. Okay, question number 6. Write a program to print table from 2 to n. What is the meaning of table? Tables of 2 means, what is the table of 2? 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are. Correct? Where n is provided by user. So there is one value has to be by default and one value we need to give it. Ye clear ho gaya? We have to use range. Good one. What is the rule of range? N minus 1. So if I need table of 2, what is the last number of table of 2? 2 1s are starting from 1 and go up to 10. What I have to write? Range 1 to 11. Okay. I'm just showing you guys for I in range. So what are the values we have in I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can I say we just have to multiply by 2? We'll get 2 tables. Till they clear. Next. I'm assigning this value in X and I'm converting into possible, guys. Can we convert data into list format? See. One is the same thing. Till they clear. Now there is one input data. This is the range I have taken. So where n is provided by user. Take y example. I'm converting into integer input. Enter a number. I enter number as 2. So what is the value for y is 2. So y will take value as 2. And what is the value we have in x? 1 to 10. ये clear हो गया. X में है 1 to 10. One to 10. And here we have number we will enter as 2. Any question, please ask. How to multiply 2 different array size? Can you multiply like this way? X into y. Correct now? Yes. What is the value of y? 2. 2. Value of x? So it's even adding for you. You have to multiply each and every row now. Every row 1 by 1. This is called as what? We need to perform every row 1 by 1. We need to do iteration. Which iteration perform 1 by 1? While loop or for loop? What is the difference between while loop and for loop? While loop is with condition, for loop is without condition. Can I say for loop take entire data? If I write like this way, for I in range of 2, 11. How many values is taking? Each and every value. So can I say for loop works for each and every number? So what I'll do here, I'll write over here. For the data of I will come from X. We just have to multiply X into 1. Can I say print? Oh, one second. Here I give us 1 is 2. Two into X now. There's something like this way. X will go in I. I will have 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. 2 into 1, 2 into 2. The third is correct. Enter number as 2. हाँ sorry. X की वैल्यू I में है ना, हमें I से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. What this data will give you first? Clear. What this data will give you? 2 1s are 2. Can I say I'm just multiplying this number with this number? Second, this number with this number. So I've written Y. Whatever value we have in X, this value is going in. So can I say I will also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm multiplying with I. Assigning in A. Then I say print length. 2 tables. Now I'll combine all 3 in one cell. I given 3 tables. I write 5. Easy or difficult? Guys, I just have break the question. One is fixed, one is input, one is for loop. Within for loop, we just multiply 2 different cells.